Okay, welcome back. So today I'm going to be going over how you can use the advanced fill feature in the channel rack to create quick and easy patterns. So when you've got an instrument or a drum sample loaded into the channel rack, you can right click and hit fill each 2 for 8 steps. But then below that we've got the advanced fill. This is a new feature in FL Studio 20, I'm pretty sure. So fill each 2 steps and 4 steps and 8 steps, it'll just do what it says. Like that, pretty basic. That can be helpful sometimes. So with hi-hats, fill each 2 steps. But with a clap, you don't want a clap hitting there or there on the downbeat. You want to be able to change where that's hitting. So that's where advanced fill comes in. So what it does, it brings up this window and you've got this wheel rotating around. Now it's pretty easy to set your sequence length before you open this window. So that's just like clicking on the end of however far you want it. But then changing the interval. So for a clap I usually use 16 or sometimes 8. And then I'll rotate it across so that it's not hitting on the downbeat, but it's hitting on the either there or there. And that's just how I like to put down claps pretty quickly, and then there you go. So it's a very basic application, can make some clap patterns really quick instead of having to manually click in every sound. You just advance fill 16, move it across there, and it's done. But you can also do some weird things with it. There's this random button, so it'll just change it to a random thing. I think that's actually a different clap pattern for slower beats. So I'll turn the BPM down. So there, if you didn't know how to make that, that's just done it for you. And then there's some really weird ones like this. Turn the BPM up again. So yeah, you can get some pretty interesting sounds with that random button. But then you can also change the fill type. So Euclidean and fill every are pretty similar, I think. But manual is just clicking over there, and then it just lets you rotate it pretty much. So if you've already got like a pattern, let's say I've got this pattern, but I wanted to move it. I want to move all of them 2 to the left. I just open up advanced fill, go to manual, and then 2 to the left. And there we go. So pretty interesting, pretty easy to use, very helpful when putting down fast patterns, like putting down patterns fast. Create some pretty cool drum patterns pretty quickly. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.